Hi, today we have a Renault Clio Mark IV with a 1.2 petrol engine. I'm going to show you how to change the second oxygen sensor after the catalyst system. As you can see, I have already connected with the diagnostics, and we can see in memory something about catalytic converter functional fault, and the third fault code is downstream oxygen sensor heating circuit open circuit. So that means that the heater is damaged, and that's why the oxygen sensor is not working and needs to be replaced. So I'm going to turn the ignition off, and also I'm going to raise the vehicle to remove the oxygen sensor. We've raised the vehicle, so now we can see the second oxygen sensor, and the connector is somewhere here. So I'm going to open this bolt with 10mm wrench, and also I'm going to open this nut. This can be opened by hand, so I can lower the plastic a little, and after that I can have access to the connector over here. So next I'm going to try to remove this plastic holder, and the connector is put here on the aluminum heat shield. Okay. So here is the connector. So I'm going to disconnect the sensor. I have to press this pin and pull out the connector, and after that I have to open the oxygen sensor with a 22mm wrench. I used some penetrating fluid, and I got lucky. I opened the oxygen sensor very easily. So now I'm going to install a new one. Here I have new oxygen sensor. Now, because I couldn't find the original part, I'm going to install this universal oxygen sensor. So I'm going to reconnect on this connector. I'm going to cut the wires, measure the length on the length of the wires, and I'm going to cut this connector, connect with the new oxygen sensor. Now, always on all lambda sensors, the gray wire and the black wire are from the sensor inside that measures the gases, and the other two wires, they can be two whites or any other color, they are always from the heater. So these two wires here, the white and red, should be connected on the two whites on this sensor, because they are from the heater. I have connected the connector from the old lambda sensor to the new one, and you can check with the multimeter the heater and also the sensor that measures the gases. The heater has a very low resistance, so there are these two white wires from the new oxygen sensor, and between the gray and the black wire there will be more than 2 mega ohms of resistance. So now I can install the new oxygen sensor. I have installed and tightened the new oxygen sensor with 22mm wrench. Also I have connected the wiring, returned the plastic, tightened this bolt with 10mm wrench. Now I'm going to lower the vehicle and reconnect with the diagnostic tester again. I have lowered the vehicle, so next I'm going to turn the ignition on. And I'm going to clear the fault codes. Next I'm going to read. Okay, now we have no more fault codes, and I can start the engine. I don't know why we can't see on camera a lot. So now I'm going to read the real-time data stream. I'm going to search for the downstream oxygen sensor, heating sensor downstream. Also I'm going to search the upstream oxygen sensor. Here it is, upstream. Okay, select OK. So now we have downstream, it's not active again still, so I'm going to hold the oscillator until this time goes to 0, and after that is going to activate the oxygen heating. Okay, the upstream sensor is heating, downstream it's not active. It's good that we have stable voltages. It's not fluctuating up and down, it's steady. The engine works fine. I'm going to go back, read. We don't have any fault codes, so this means that everything is working okay, and I'm finished. So if you want to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.